Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I haven't done a tutorial video in quite some time. This is the 1.7 and I'm probably on the last run of these. These are very large chopping machetes. They will be reduced down to almost half the weight of this. Okay, this is a pretty heavy, thick piece of D2 steel. However, it is annealed. That means that you can still use it. That means that you can grind it and it's not heat treated. So there's no heat treatment on this. It's just a piece of steel. I use New Jersey Steel Baron in order to get all my blanks done. I create the design. I send them the design and they make me a bunch of blanks, as you just saw. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to pre-grind these. All right, pre-grind them and then send them all out to heat treat. As you notice, there is a lot of them. So this is one of the things that you don't know about knife makers, is that they spend a lot of time on their feet, mostly in hazardous materials or, bad air quality. It is about 100 degrees out here today because it is July, and I'm going to try to get through as many of these as I can by just grinding and grinding and grinding. Ideally, what I want to do is just get this down to a bevel where I can work with it once I get it back from heat treat. All right, so stick around for that. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that. That's how you turn one of these big old blade blanks into heat treat ready steel. Okay guys, so again, I just put my maker's mark in there. This one I hold for reference. I just give it to any water jet company and they'll be able to duplicate it. That's why I kind of hold on to one. The rest of these are all going to go out to heat treat. As soon as heat treat's done, they'll come back. You can still order these on the website. All right, so if you want one, go to threeriverblades.com. Go to the 1.7. The 1.7 is going out for heat treat immediately. By the time you watch this video, they'll probably already be back, which means that you can get these relatively quick. All right, thank you very much, guys. Please get on the mailing list. Go to threeriverblades.com. Go all the way down to the bottom. First name, last name, and your email address. That's the only place you're going to get updates and discounts. Also, if you want to become a Patreon member, it only costs you $1 a month, so check that out as well. Really helps support the channel, and also check out my Amazon store for anything that you might need. Thank you very much, guys, and as always, stay safe.